Do you think Anna Hazare not campaigning for Kejriwal has worked against him?
Anna Hazare has been used by BJP and Congress against Kejriwal. This whole thing was Anna ko dhoka diya. Everybody knows Congress and BJP people, especially Congress, saying, please end your fast, we will pass your bill in 3 days. Coming out with a bill that Anna Hazare said, what is this nonsense?
Yeah.
This is something else. And they said, this is all that's going to happen. करना है तो गवर्नमेंट बनाओ, फिर बात करते हैं, पार्क में बैठे लॉस नहीं होते. किसने धोखा दिया? That was then. Delhi elections में their biggest thing was अन्ना को धोखा दिया, अन्ना को धोखा दिया, अन्ना को धोखा दिया.
Why isn't he
I think people have realized now that fasting is not going to be effective.
Yeah.
Political will has to be there. This battle has to be fought from the inside. Change has to come from inside. And I don't have the guts to contest elections. I do not have the courage to fight elections, to enter politics. It is so dirty. It is disgusting. It makes me want to vomit. Yet, when some people stand up for something while they're getting slapped around, they're being threatened, attacked, and vilified in society, then I must stand by them. And my whole point is, Anna Hazare, with all respect to him, he's a Gandhian, he's a very, very well-intentioned man. I think the battlefield has shifted from Anna Hazare to Arvind Kejriwal.
Okay.
If any change will happen, it will happen here.
But even Kiran Bedi said that she wants Modi to
Kiran
be.
Bedi says everything, man. What is it? What is it? She has such a problem with Arvind Kejriwal entering politics. Why is she making political comments? Why is she endorsing political candidates? Why is she doing that? Why?
I have no idea.
Neither does she, I suspect.
So do you have any plans to go to Varanasi also in next case?
Hopefully, that's where the last leg of it is, right?
Yeah.
जाएंगे मार खाएंगे. We'll have some fun.
Okay.
पिटाई खाएंगे. अरविंद भाई अकेले थोड़ा ना, हम भी खाएंगे 4 थप्पड़.
And
मेरी जितनी पिटाई हुई ना लाइफ में, मेरे को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. मैं ढीठ हो चुका हूँ. बहुत टाइम हो गया पिट के. Pune is where I was attacked by BJP. Do you remember that?
Oh yeah.
That's why I come, especially. It'll be fun if it happens again.
No, it won't.
हो जाए ना, मजा आएगा. The thing is, see, here's the deal. अमेठी में कुमार विश्वास पे attacks हो रहे हैं. Arvind Kejriwal is so many years, 65 years we've been having elections. Have you heard of a Congress guy punching a BJP guy, from BJP guy throwing an egg or ink at a Congress guy or slapping? No. All these guys together are slapping, hitting with eggs, ink. Why are they doing that? It's very clear. Jan Lokpal bill comes, who's going to go to jail? So, and they are the guys in power. It takes really, you have to be obstinate and either very courageous or either really obstinate to take on these big guys, to talk about Vadra, to talk about Ambani, to talk about Gadkari, to talk, it really takes, nobody's done it. The big political guys have never done it.